Did you know some snakes can swallow prey 5 times wider than their head? It's a reality in the world's remote jungles. Today, we meet two of the planet's most magnificent giants, the green anaconda and the reticulated python. Join me as we dive into the world of giant snakes and uncover their mysteries. Get ready for an adventure where fact and fiction blur, revealing truths more shocking than any myth. Welcome to the Amazon basin, a vast, mysterious world where the boundaries between land and water blur into a living tapestry of green. Here, in the heart of South America, the rainforest stretches as far as the eye can see, sheltering countless secrets beneath its emerald canopy. This is the domain of the green anaconda, a creature as legendary as the jungle itself. Slipping silently through the tangled waterways and dense undergrowth, she reigns as one of the Amazon's most formidable predators. The green anaconda is not only the heaviest snake on Earth but also among the longest, with some individuals reaching lengths of nearly 30 feet. Her body, thick as a man's thigh, is a living coil of muscle and power, covered in scales that shimmer with subtle hues of olive and gold. This titan of muscle and scale can weigh over 500 pounds, perfectly adapted to its aquatic world. The rivers and flooded forests are her hunting grounds, where she glides effortlessly, her massive form almost weightless in the water. Her eyes and nostrils are positioned on top of her head, a remarkable adaptation that allows her to remain nearly invisible beneath the surface. She can watch and breathe while the rest of her body is hidden, a patient sentinel in the shallows. She can hold her breath for over 10 minutes, moving silently through the murky depths. With each slow, deliberate movement she becomes a shadow in the water, undetectable to all but the keenest eyes. Her olive-green skin patterned with black blotches provides perfect camouflage among the tangled roots and muddy banks. This natural disguise allows her to blend seamlessly into her environment, making her both hunter and ghost. The anaconda is an ambush specialist, relying on patience and stealth to strike at unsuspecting prey. She waits motionless for hours, sometimes days, concealed by water plants and shadows, until the perfect opportunity arises. With a lightning-fast strike, she seizes her prey, be it fish, bird, capybara, or even caiman, using her immense body to coil around and constrict, cutting off blood flow and air in a matter of moments. Her grip is relentless, her strength unmatched in these waters. It's a primal, powerful, and effective hunting technique, honed by millions of years of evolution. Each hunt is a testament to her patience, precision, and raw power. Life for the anaconda is a slow dance of survival. She must conserve energy, moving only when necessary, and waiting for the perfect moment to strike. In the flooded forests and silent swamps, patience is her greatest weapon. She is a living masterpiece of predatory design, a testament to evolution's power and creativity. Every scale, every muscle, every instinct is finely tuned for life in this challenging world. With her flickering tongue, she samples the air, detecting chemical cues that reveal the presence of prey or rivals. Her senses are sharp, her awareness constant, as she navigates the ever-changing currents of her watery home. The anaconda is a symbol of the wild, a living reminder of the incredible creatures that still command the planet's last great wildernesses. She embodies the untamed spirit of the Amazon, a world where nature still rules. She is the ghost in the water, the silent ruler of the swamp, an ancient predator, perfectly at home in the shadowy depths of the Amazon. The life of a green anaconda is solitary, a silent existence spent gliding through the winding rivers and flooded forests of the Amazon. These giants are rarely seen in groups, preferring the quiet company of their own thoughts as they patrol their watery domain. Every movement is calculated, every breath measured as the anaconda waits patiently for the perfect moment to strike. Yet this calm is punctuated by moments of intense drama. When hunger calls, the anaconda transforms from a patient observer into a lightning-fast predator, capable of overpowering prey much larger than itself. The river explodes in a flurry of scales and water as the snake coils around its victim, demonstrating the raw power that has made it a legend. But the most extraordinary spectacle occurs during mating season, when the Amazon becomes the stage for the anaconda breeding ball. For most of the year, these snakes avoid each other, but now, the forest and rivers come alive with their presence. A single female, larger and more powerful than any of the males, releases a trail of pheromones into the humid air. This invisible signal travels for miles, drawing males from every corner of the jungle, each one eager to find her. Up to a dozen males may converge on her location, their bodies intertwining in a writhing mass as they compete for the chance to mate. The struggle is fierce, a true test of strength and stamina, with only the most persistent male earning the right to pass on his genes. This breeding ball can last for weeks, a marathon of endurance and determination. The snakes barely eat, focused entirely on the task at hand, as the jungle around them pulses with life and anticipation. Once mating is complete, the victorious female carries her developing young for 6 to 7 months. She moves more slowly now, conserving her energy, her body heavy with the promise of new life. Anacondas are ovoviviparous, giving birth to live young rather than laying eggs. In the safety of shallow water, she releases dozens of tiny, fully formed snakes, each one a miniature version of herself, ready to face the world alone. From the moment they are born, young anacondas must fend for themselves. They slip quietly into the undergrowth, hunting small prey and learning to avoid the many dangers that lurk in the shadows. Life is perilous, and only the most resourceful will survive. Survival is a race against the odds, with predators lurking at every turn. Birds of prey, caimans, and even other snakes pose a constant threat. Only a fraction of these young will reach adulthood, their journey a testament to resilience and instinct. Those that do survive never stop growing, eventually becoming the undisputed apex predators of their world. As adults, anacondas have no natural enemies, ruling the rivers and swamps with quiet confidence and unmatched strength. They are a living testament to adaptation, perfectly suited to their environment, and embody the untamed spirit of the Amazon. Their presence is a reminder of the wildness that still thrives in the heart of the rainforest. The anaconda is more than just a snake. It is a symbol of the wild, a living relic of a world where nature still reigns supreme. In the untouched corners of the Amazon, these giants continue to command respect and awe. She is the ghost in the water, the silent ruler of the swamp, a creature of myth and mystery, whose story is still being written in the shadows of the Amazon. How does a green anaconda get so massive? The secret lies in genetics, environment, and metabolism. The Amazon basin provides water and a steady supply of large prey. Being semi-aquatic, water supports the anaconda's weight, allowing energy to be channeled into growth. As ectothermic creatures, they rely on the sun and water to regulate body temperature, saving energy. A single large meal can sustain an anaconda for months. Their anatomy is built for growth and consumption with flexible jaws and elastic skin. While stories of 50-foot anacondas are common, science has yet to verify any beyond 30 feet. The square cube law presents a hurdle. As an animal gets longer, its volume increases by a power of 3. The anacondas we see today are likely at the peak of what is biologically possible in their environment. They are a testament to the raw, creative power of evolution. The anaconda is a symbol of the wild, a reminder of the incredible creatures that still command the planet's last great wildernesses. Let's travel to Southeast Asia, home to the reticulated python, the longest snake in the world. This slender, agile snake is a master of the forest floor and canopy. Its intricate pattern provides perfect camouflage in the jungle. The python is a ghost in the jungle, a silent hunter relying on stealth and surprise. It inhabits a wide range of environments from rainforests to cities. The reticulated python is a top predator, a vital part of the natural balance. The reticulated python's hunting strategy is predatory perfection, honed by millions of years of evolution. This apex predator is a master of patience and stealth, blending seamlessly into its environment as it waits for the perfect moment to strike. It's an ambush hunter, often positioning itself near well-traveled game trails or water sources where animals come to drink. The python can remain motionless for hours or even days, coiled and ready, its patterned scales camouflaging it against the forest floor or tangled undergrowth. The python's senses are nothing short of extraordinary. Along its upper lip are specialized heat-sensing pits, which allow it to detect the faintest warmth given off by passing prey. Even in total darkness, these pits act like a thermal camera, painting a vivid picture of the world in heat signatures. This remarkable thermal vision gives the python a distinct advantage, enabling it to strike with pinpoint accuracy regardless of the time of day or night. Whether under the cover of darkness or in the dappled light of dawn, the python is always ready. When unsuspecting prey finally comes within range, the python's attack is sudden and explosive. In a fraction of a second it lunges forward, covering surprising distances with lightning speed. It seizes the animal with rows of sharp, recurved teeth, which are perfectly designed to grip and hold. These teeth curve backward, making escape nearly impossible once the python is latched on. Instantly, the python coils its powerful body around the prey, tightening its grip with each breath the animal takes. This method of constriction is both efficient and deadly, stopping blood flow and causing death within minutes, often before the prey even realizes what has happened. With the struggle over, the python begins the slow and methodical process of swallowing its meal whole. Its jawbones are connected by stretchy ligaments, allowing the mouth to open wide enough to engulf animals much larger than its own head. The skin stretches, the muscles work in waves, and the meal disappears inch by inch. Digesting such a large animal is an enormous undertaking. The python's body must now break down bones, fur, and flesh, a process that can take days or even weeks, depending on the size of the prey. During this time, the python's metabolic rate skyrockets, increasing by up to 40 times its normal rate. Its organs, including the heart and intestines, temporarily grow in size to handle the massive influx of nutrients. After its meal, the python seeks out a safe, hidden spot to digest in peace. It may remain motionless for weeks or even months, relying on the energy from its feast to sustain it until the next opportunity arises. The reticulated python is a living testament to the raw, creative power of evolution. Every aspect of its body and behavior is fine-tuned for survival in the dense, unpredictable jungles it calls home. It is a symbol of the wild, a reminder of the incredible creatures that still command the planet's last great wildernesses. In the heart of the rainforest, the python reigns supreme, a silent and elusive force. The python is a ghost in the jungle, a silent ruler of the forest, moving unseen and unheard, yet always present, a true marvel of the natural world. Humans have long told stories of giant snakes, legends that go beyond science. In the Amazon, tribes speak of the Sucuriju gigante, a mythical serpent over 100 feet long. Explorers have returned with incredible accounts, adding to the mystique. The scientific community requires proof, but the Amazon is vast and unexplored. Could a creature of such size remain hidden? It's unlikely, but not impossible. The legends persist because the wilderness is still wild enough to hold its secrets. The jungle doesn't give up its ghosts easily. The idea of a 50-foot snake was fantasy until science delivered a shocking twist. In Colombia, paleontologists unearthed the fossilized vertebrae of Titanoboa, a snake that shattered records. Titanoboa lived 60 million years ago, reaching lengths of 42 to 45 feet. The discovery proved snakes can grow to incredible sizes under the right conditions. The key factor was temperature. Titanoboa lived in a much warmer world. This discovery forces us to view legends of giant snakes in a new light. The blueprint for a 45-foot snake exists within their DNA. While today's climate may not support such a creature, it raises a tantalizing question. What if, in some isolated warm pocket of the planet, the conditions are just right? The existence of Titanoboa turns the question from could a 50-foot snake exist, to what would it take for one to exist again? We've explored the domain of the green anaconda and the reticulated python. We've looked back to Titanoboa, proving legends aren't entirely without foundation. Our world is home to magnificent serpents, pushing the boundaries of possibility. The Amazon and Southeast Asia are some of the least explored places on Earth. Who can say what lives in the deepest, darkest parts of those swamps? The possibility of undiscovered giants remains a thrilling idea. The planet hasn't revealed all its secrets, making exploration exciting. The unknown is out there, waiting to be found. Keep exploring, questioning, and never lose your sense of wonder. Join us on the next expedition into the unknown for more incredible wildlife adventures.